blessed are those who are directly asked to do the things which are not dharma, as per your understanding, by Guru. I am telling you, if your Guru says, do something which is not dharma as per you, and you do it, you are blessed. You are blessed. I still repent for not smoking when Yogi Ram Surathkumar gave me the bidi. I still repent. But I missed it. I missed the chance. Now how many times I smoke, nothing can happen. That won't liberate me. Anyhow, I struggled myself. I can say, if I would have picked up the bidi from his hand that day and smoked, I can say at least I would have reduced 2 years of my struggle in my journey. 2 years struggle could have been sorted out in 2 seconds. I am very clear. I still repent for not picking up the bidi from Ram Surathkumar when he gave. Maybe many of you may not know that incident. Let me describe. I am brought up from a very orthodox family. My grandfather, oh God, is a great inspiration for me, but highly orthodox. The extreme funny level of orthodoxy, you can't even talk about non-veg or alcohol or cigarette, bidi in the house. Forget about, you can't even talk. Forget about having, you can't even talk. Even in the TV, some scenes coming, if some scenes come as if smoking, he will switch off the TV. And I was brought up by him. One day I was sitting in the Tiruvannamalai burial ground, Smashana, cremation ground, with Yogi Ram Surathkumar. Usually he sits there in the night time. Whenever I ask him, why do you sit here? He says, this is a calm place. Only dead people will not disturb us. He will be happily sitting. I went and sat. I used to enjoy his company. He's a chain smoker. I don't know what happened. One day, suddenly he picked up the bidi from his mouth and stretched to me. My love for him and my parental conditioning, both were having war, literally. It is like Krishna got down from the chariot and picked up the wheel as a Sudarshana Chakra to kill Bhishma. Krishna is Guru, Bhishma is parental conditioning. Krishna picked up the Sudarshana Chakra. Come on, it is time. Unless I get down, the parental conditioning will not die. He is rolling. But Krishna has promised he will not take any weapon and fight in the war. Guru always promises he will not directly kill parental condition. I can see exactly Krishna standing there instead of the chariot wheel with bidi. And my Bhishma is struggling. And I neither moved my body front nor said no. Saying no too much, but moving the body and picking up too much. What to do? I was just frozen. But the bidi is burning. Time is running. Time is running. See, not deciding is deciding not to decide. I was not deciding, but naturally it means deciding not to decide. Then the fire went and touched Ram Surathkumar's finger. He just dropped the bidi. When the fire came near his finger, he dropped the bidi. He just caught my ears, both ears. But fortunately I had such a deep surrender to him, and he was able to force me, and I am blessed he forced me. But still I missed for me not taking the decision voluntarily. He just caught my ears and blew the smoke from his mouth on my face. I don't know what happened. For 3 days, whatever was happening around me was soundless movie In those days, the movies used to come, no sound, no volume, just the scenes will go. Same way, soundless movie. Everything happening around me without background noise. I am seeing vehicles moving. I can see temple aarti is happening, but no bell sound. Everything was such peace. But even then, of course, after that, never I smoked, not even once. But I repent for not picking up when he stretched his hand. Gladly jump beyond dharma. When Master asks you, that is the best thing you will do for yourself and for your enlightenment. I can say only to ask you to do something which is not dharma as per you, Master happens in your life.